the Missouri Tigers.
Yeah. I'm back at it. I was gone for a while, it was a brief stint. I'm a one-man franchise and I ain't never had a deep bench. I'm dropping deep threats, so y'all niggas drop to a prevent. Then dap you after the fact, say congrats, but it's pretense. You ain't even decent, lean with it just for emphasis. Combine the cane with the verse, then I distribute the synthesis. Now what it's looking like, you can rewind the words that I spoke. And if it ain't verbal dope, then I guarantee you ain't cooking right. Drop crack over these legal pads and the Pyrex a gyrate. iTunes, Harlem Shake, and I ain't even mad. I ain't even flashed to Bruce Banner, cause that's my true man. As a new man of the hour, got plenty manable power. Supreme jaw jacking to y'all niggas, I'm worse than GP or Reggie Miller in Madison Square. I'm getting it Spike Lee, double C for 3. Boom baby, see now I'm heating up. The crowd gets shushed, I'm even kill even through the clutch. Fuck waiting for my time to come, I'ma seize what's mine. I guarantee that minute hand to get twisted spun, cause I could give a damn where you from. I reside in a state where you gotta show me, but still in the fact remain low key. And I ain't built for Front Street. Watch me, I'll hit the UE before they claim they got the chance to ever say they knew me. Now how you love that? Now get some sleep to it, hit the sheets to it. Impossible, got insomnia for weeks to it. That whenever you hear it, don't even try to challenge. Niggas hear it, start flexing. All malice, no balance, no fallacy found throughout the foundation. Dead real, can't forget the first time you ever heard this, so it's with emphasis. That whenever you hear it, don't even try to challenge. Niggas hear it, start flexing. All malice, no balance, no fallacy found throughout the foundation. Dead real, can't forget the first time you ever heard this, so it's with emphasis. My name starts with a C, and it's capitalized for effect. So understand I ain't playing when I be saying I'm best. It's a coming of age and a subtle display of this dude's vernacular. And I ain't happy if it's a speck less than spectacular. My own worst critic, that homework did it. I study tape on these niggas and pick apart possible competition. I invaded their base and broke down the whole infrastructure. Used a rough draft against their ass, I gotta make them suffer. Can't get enough, swear I live behind enemy lines. And I'm double crossing this clique, I'm on that Benedict grind. I'm in it for mine, you bout it, bring a tank to the bang out. I'm Sergeant Slaughter with these mortar shells, now I'm throwing my rank out. Direct order, so either you support it or you get suppressed. Infidels get dealt with, the ditch dug laid with the rest. Warfare like Che Guevara, ain't fair but still careless about your feelings if you under me with all these merits. The only thing apparent is comparison to perilous. A risk within itself, so go against it and you getting nicks. No buts, ands, or ifs, the risks go to the management, but that's still me. Nigga, welcome to this monopoly. Jim Crowing it properly, better get with that picket line. Vindictive on you niggas, blacklisted when you play with mine. Comes a day and time when you let them know what the business is. With that said, I'm going all out with emphasis. That whenever you hear it, don't even try to challenge. Niggas hear it, start flexing. All malice, no balance, no fallacy found throughout the foundation. Dead real, can't forget the first time you ever heard this, so it's with emphasis. That whenever you hear it, don't even try to challenge. Niggas hear it, start flexing. All malice, no balance, no fallacy found throughout the foundation. Dead real, can't forget the first time you ever heard this, so it's with emphasis.